Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Viratian, and today I'm here with the new Maruti Suzuki Swift 2018 and I'm going to give a complete details about the Swift 2018. So to start with the exterior, it comes with the headlamps and the LED lamps in the top end model and the alloy wheels along with the Apollo tires as you can see here. So the starting price of this Swift is 4.99 lakhs at ex-showroom Delhi and comprises of different ranges between 4.99 lakhs to rupees 8.29 lakhs. So the wheelbase is now 2550 millimeter and a whole 20 millimeter longer than the older one, and a larger cabin and redesigned seats. And this is the lights at the back of the new Maruti Suzuki Swift 2018 as you can see here. So let's check the boot space. So it has really quite a good amount of boot space, so it's similar to as that of the Baleno. You can really keep a good amount of luggage in the Swift 2018. So the thing I liked about the new Swift 2018 is the way of opening the back doors. It's given beside the window at the back doors, so that makes the car look more sporty and elegant. So now let's see some of the interiors. So this is how the interior look like in the new Maruti Suzuki Swift 2018. So this is the music system along with the AC vents as you can see here. So the steering wheel in the Swift is only adjustable for tilt, not for reach, and while this might seem like a sore point for some and none of our staffers who drove the car, and this is the mirror you get in the Swift in the front. And you can operate the different options of the music system using the steering button options. As you can see here, you can receive the calls and you can connect to Bluetooth by using the steering itself. So these are the AC vents. And you can see the USB and aux port there and a charging port in the front. So now talking about the rear, the seat base is a bit larger as of now, and the seat back has been canted backwards by 2 degrees. So this makes the overall back seat experience in the new Swift a lot more comfortable than the old one, and me being around the height of 5.10 inches can sit comfortably at the back.